In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a ton of money using a simple and often overlooked trick when cleaning your Jura coffee machine. I'm also going to show you how to run the milk system cleaning cycle, and something that you should never forget to do. And it's also something that's not really covered in the user manual. So the first thing to do is to press and hold the little button next to the gear icon for about 2 seconds. Then you can go ahead and press the button next to the red milk system cleaning notification and then select start. Now the machine should prompt you to then add the milk system cleaner. So you can go ahead and grab the container that came with your coffee machine and then dispense 1 dose of the milk system cleaning tablets into the container. And as you can see here, it's only a small dose of pellets that drop out. Now you can go ahead and place the container under the coffee spout and the frothing nozzle, and it should kind of align and click into place. And then you can go ahead and push the frothing nozzle down so that it seats into the black rubber ring on the container. And then lastly, connect the end of the milk tube to the little hole on the container. Now you can go ahead and press the start button on the right side of the screen and then just wait for the cleaning cycle to complete. And this cycle takes about 5 minutes in total. So what you're going to notice now is that the container starts filling with hot water from the hot water nozzle, and the machine gets this water from the main water tank on the left side of the machine. And the container only fills about a quarter, and then the cycle pauses to give the cleaning tablets a little bit of time to dissolve. Now I've increased the playback speed of this part of the video, but as you can see by the timer, it pauses the cycle for about 1 minute. After the pause, the cycle continues, and you'll notice steam is being pumped through the frother and into the closed section of the container. That's the section on the right hand side. Now the cleaning solution is also being drawn from the container on the left up the milk tube, and it passes through the frothing nozzle. And you can see the level in the left side of the container is decreasing, while at the same time the level in the right side of the container is increasing. And the machine normally completes the cycle 3 times over with short pauses between each cycle. Now, sometimes I've noticed that the machine only runs 1 of these cleaning cycles. I'm not sure why. Sometimes it runs 3 and then other times it runs 1, but if you know, please let us know in the comments section. And once that's complete, there is once again a short pause before the machine rinses itself with clean water that it draws from the main water tank. You'll also notice that the left side container is filling with water. Now this is clean water that's passing backwards or down the milk tube to rinse it out. There's also a small amount that is pumped through the frother and into the right side of the container, of course to rinse out the frothing nozzle. So just a quick one while the machine is busy rinsing itself. If you are finding the video useful, please hit that thumbs up button, give it a like, because it really does help the channel out. And I also want to say thank you very much to everybody that's been supporting the channel. I genuinely appreciate the help. And if you would like to support the channel, I will leave some links in the description section below to the various cleaning products and also to a couple of coffee machines if you're still thinking about picking one up. And after a short while, the machine releases the pressure, and that is it. The screen will then give you a short notification that the milk system cleaning cycle is complete, and then it will return to the main coffee selection menu once again. Now all that is left to do is remove the cleaning container, go and rinse it out with some clean water, and then set it aside for the next time a milk system cleaning is needed. So now that the milk system cleaning has been completed, we can see in the Jura cockpit main menu that all of the notifications have disappeared. And if we go into the cleaning menu, bottom right hand corner, the milk system cleaning function is no longer displaying in red, which basically means the machine is happy that everything has been completed. However, there is one more important thing that we do need to do. They don't really tell you about this, and let me show you what that is. So here's a trick that is going to save you a ton of money in the long run. Jura say that you need to run this milk system cleaning cycle using these cleaning tablets at the end of every single day if you have run milk through the frother. That's basically 1 dose of these cleaning tablets every single day for weeks, months, and years on end. And if you think about it, that is going to add up really quickly, because These milk system cleaning tablets are not very cheap. I do see that you get universal milk system cleaning solutions. That's a more concentrated solution that, of course, you can dilute. They are available all over the market. I've never used any of them personally. Of course, Jura only recommend using their own brand of milk system cleaning tablet, but maybe you guys have used these universal cleaning solutions before. And if you have, please let us know in the comments if you've used them and are they working for you. And of course, I will have a look for some cheaper alternatives. And if I can find those, I'll leave those links in the video description. So let me now show you what I do to save money. So at the end of each day, I basically remove the frothing unit and the milk pipe from the coffee maker, and I take the whole lot apart and I let everything soak in warm soapy water for a few minutes. After that, I rinse each of the parts out in just normal plain old clean water and I dry everything. Then after that, I'll reassemble everything and clip it back together. And that's done. It's that simple. Then once a week, I'll run this milk system cleaning cycle using these tablets. So it's basically 1 dose of tablets a week instead of 7. Same clean machine and way less money spent on tablets. So hopefully that's going to save you a ton of money over the long run. Now, what shouldn't you forget to do? Well, you're going to notice that even if you run this milk system cleaning cycle every single day, over time, there is still going to be a buildup of milk residue inside the frothing unit. And that's going to cause it not to work properly. And the only way to clean it properly is to do what I've shown you today by taking it apart and rinsing it out and then putting it all back together again. Just please remember, only use warm water. Don't use very hot or boiling water, or you could end up damaging the rubber in the frothing unit. Also, when you're putting your frothing unit back together, don't forget to fully seat and push in this frothing dial all the way back into place. That's this little silver knob on the front here, because if you don't, it's not going to suck up and froth the milk properly, and that is going to become very frustrating. If you want to know more about the common problems and mistakes with these coffee machines, go ahead and watch this video right here. I'll also link it in the video description. And please share with us if you've got a specific cleaning routine or any tips and tricks that you know of. Please share those with us in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.